So this is a channel. Uh, you can see that can have really lot of members, also almost 20,000 members. This channel will serve you daily programmers joke, feel free to laugh. This is again the ad tag of the channel. There are the media, but as you can see, I cannot chat. I can only silence or what are channels? Channels are kind of like blogs where the admin uh, can post the content and the people can just look at it. So, what is nice about the channel? Well, what is nice that you can see the picture here, for example, this picture is in the bottom right corner the view count, and there is also a small arrow that you can click on it and share it to the group very easily. But you can share it to many other groups, not only to one group. So you can share it, you send it, and you will have it in your group. The nice thing about the channel is that you can click on the name and it brings you back to the channel. People can use channels as an advertisement platform, or they can use it just to share media. I know you can do your blog and share thoughts and everything, and people will follow it without chatting in between, which is quite useful. Or you can, I always couple my chats to a channel where I get all together the topics spoken in the chat and report them on the channels, kind of